open up everything. All of the Cheez-Its, and let's see them open. You basically just pour the Cheez-Its out. That's a joke. It's a contest. How about we eat the Cheez-Its first and eat this pizza last, besides this? Eat Cheez-Its first. This is a Lunchable contest. So, and wait. 10, 9,
Wait.
8, 7, 6.
Wait, you fucking have left.
4, hands up. 3, 1.
Wait.
I got one. You're really good eating fast. Oh, it's hot.
Stop coming up my plate.
I want to win.
I won.
I lost. Now what we do?
Okay, hold that video. Actually, I won. Oh, I'm
gonna finish this obviously for dinner. Oh my gosh.
I won.
Won by a lot. I couldn't even finish 2 of my.
I finished my whole thing.
I was laughing.
I could have went faster, but my thing was stuck to play. Could have got better time, but
Yeah, I got really gooey and sticky. Probably because it got too hot.
he didn't finish the Cheez-Its.
Yeah.
Still some of them. Didn't finish your drink. Barely drank any of that.
Because I was trying to finish my food.
Ate half the pizza and didn't eat any of this. I won by a lot. Okay, we can say that. I probably am a faster eater, and I do have braces. Okay.
Yeah.
So
I was slow. Put that right.
make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure to the website so you can see our next video.
No.
And make sure to like and subscribe to the video so you can see our next website. We'll have a preview of our next video.
Uh huh.
And we'll have
That's what I
our.
have for you.
That's everything. That's everything for you. Bye!